Tuesday, December 2nd. Yeah. So after what happened yesterday, which is this right here, Genex just took a plunge, nosedive, lost half of its market value. So, and I personally invested in Genex because I thought this was going to be a positive catalyst. So right now, I really just don't care too much to continue doing this because I thought this is going to benefit myself as well as you guys who are tuning into this live stream, to just learn about biotech investing and to have some fun doing this. But it's not fun anymore. I really don't have an interest of doing this anymore. So this is probably going to be my last one for a while at least. Just gonna do some other stuff and recoup the money that I lost on Genex. So thank you very much for just handing me the loss, and I take it. Okay, I bend over and take it in the ass. It's fine. I'll do it. It's fine. Part of the game. Okay, but I just don't have much of an interest of keep doing this. So yeah, this is that. This is probably the last time I'm going to be looking at this. So this is what happened yesterday, right before close. The stock's trading at $34 per share. And then right after closing, look at the volume that it went from, like basically very little. So at 340, the volume already went up from the rest of the day, 30,000, 15,000, 26,000, 34,000, 68,000. And then here, right before closing, as well as during after hours trading, it just shot up because everybody was selling it off. So the great sell-off, and that's what happened. And I don't have time to monitor this shit. Even by the time I looked at it, like at 4:30, when they're supposed to be giving out this conference, it's already too late. It's already like look at this at 4:30. They don't even show. Oh, here, 4:30. It's already dropped from 34 to 24. So dropped a third of its value, and it continued dropping today. Look, it's fell below its 50% mark around 17, and then it fell below 17. So right now it's trading around 16. It's just awesome, right? For us dumb money retail investors. So yeah, I don't really care too much for it right now. Let's just close the bet. So so the bet is that is still open. I'm not going to open another one. I have no interest in this anymore. I don't want to do biotech investing for a while. I just want to stay away from this. But which company will have the most gain on their stock by market close on December 2nd after their data release? So the three companies that we looked at are INMB, LGVN, and ANVS. So here is INMB. It's 0.32% gain today. LGVN 0.22, and Innovis ANVS is also 0.22, but it's the other direction. It went down 2.22. So the winner here is LGVN. Well, we should have also put Janex here. Oh God, yeah, it went down what 53% right here, right here, 53%, right? So this is the clear winner here, and it took me and my investment with it. So yeah. Okay. So the answer here is LGVN. I saw a comment from Mary Smith. Hi, Mary. You got 7 followers. Cool. I have no followers on Manifold Markets, but I won't be coming back for a while. But you would have bought LGVN to 1% if you didn't close the market so quickly. Let me respond to her. When did this market actually close? I just respond to her. Oh. I thought it was roughly 4 p.m. Eastern today. You made my day, Mary Smith. But anyway, yeah, thanks for participating. Actually, Mary, you weren't the one that's doing the trade, right? You would have bought the LGBN, but the actual person who made the trade is Sigaric. S. Garrick. Is that how you say your name? So you bought 30 shares of, or 30 mana points of INMB. So you would have won 64 mana points, but the winner here is Longevron. So sorry, bro, or sorry, gal. You didn't win. So I'm gonna resolve this. Okay. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Because I don't want to do this anymore. And I got 130 mana points in reward. I basically got this person's money, all of this person's money. Sideric, thank you so much for your donation. Yeah, I'm just so tired and I just don't want to think about this shit anymore. So, yeah, I'm not gonna make a bet. There's catalysts or not, I'm not interested in identifying any catalyst that's upcoming. So, you guys can do that on your own. Okay, just look at these games that we created in the last week and a half. None of it suffered as severe of a loss, catastrophic here as the Gen X one, at whopping minus 59,000 of the 100,000 investment. So, yeah, that's that. And I'm in that game with real money. So, yeah, you know how that feels, right? For all of you that are more experienced investors than me, you can probably take it better. But I guess I can say that I put all my eggs in one basket, and that didn't turn out so well. So let's see how else how did other parts of our portfolios perform? Nice, everything went down. Okay, so thank you, Gen X and AMVS. You all went down, and yeah, we just basically lost. Um, what is it? 200,000 of 200,000. Um, yeah, we have lost about, yeah, more than a quarter of that value. That this actually looks kind of like my actual portfolio. Um, yeah, not a good feeling. So I won't look at this again. Just looking at that red line and those numbers really hurt my feelings. So I know, I'm a weakling. So that's that. And yeah, hope you guys have a good week. So I won't be streaming for a while. All right, signing off.